In this quick DIY, I'm going to show you how to silence squeaky door hinges for good, using something you likely already have around your house, and I'm going to show you something else that's even better. What causes squeaky door hinges is friction between the hinges and the pin. It could be from wear and tear, it could be dirt, rust, or just lack of lubrication. And sometimes it's just cheap or worn hinges. All right, the tools you're going to need to fix that squeaky door hinge. First, you're going to need a hammer, you're going to need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a small screw or nail. Those are for the bottom hinges, and I'll show you the trick on how to use those. You're also going to need some paper towel, a paper plate, or a tin like this. And to fix the squeaky door hinge, you can use WD-40, but I got something even better, and I haven't even shared this with anybody before. And what that is AMSOIL Metal Protector, MP. This stuff is amazing. I started using this on door hinges, and I'm telling you, my place is super quiet now. That's a good thing and a bad thing, because if you have little kids that are running around in the middle of the night leaving the room, sometimes that squeaky door is good to hear them, but maybe you could just avoid fixing the hinges on that door. But this AMSOIL MP Metal Protector, it lubricates and prevents against corrosion. This stuff is amazing. It's good on a lot of things around your home. You can fix this quick by just spraying some AMSOIL MP or WD-40 against here, but you're going to get your door and your frame all dirty. It's going to drip down and just be a mess. I suggest you pull all the pins out of all the hinges on the squeaky door, clean them really good, and then coat them with some MP, put the pins back inside, and you'll be fine. Okay, so this is where the screw and the pliers are going to come in handy. So you're going to grab your screw like this with your pliers. You're going to grab your hammer, and you're going to place the screw under the pin inside the hinge here, and then you're going to hammer up. There you can see that hinge just pops right up. Now you can finish knocking it all the way up with the screwdriver and the hammer. So you can see how that hinge is dirty as well. We're going to clean that up, and we're going to do one hinge at a time. All right, we have our pan, paper towel. We're going to clean the black stuff off of this hinge pin. We're actually going to use a little WD-40 help us clean it. You can see where this hinge pin is actually wearing. So now, like I said, you can put WD-40 on this hinge pin and it'll work for a while. But why not use the best stuff you can get? I'm telling you, this stuff is stealth. So yeah, just give it a little squirt on there. I'll leave a link down below the video where you can get some AMSOIL MP. Then we're going to come back here into the hinge, put our hinge pin back in. We're just going to tap it down with the hammer. It's working good. I'm going to go ahead and do the middle hinge and the top hinge, and then we'll come back and listen for any creaks. Okay, I did all three hinges. Let's try it. Super quiet. Here's an additional pro tip for you. If you have the time, after you take these pins out, get a pipe cleaner and just run it up and through the hinges with some cleaner or WD-40, whatever. It'll clean out those hinges pretty good and lubricate it at the same time. Your door should now open quietly and smoothly. And I'm going to share one more tip with you. You know how when you hang something like this on a hollow door, your interior doors are hollow, you put a towel on it. People are rough. They pull these screws right out. The screws that hold your hook in here. It could be a bathrobe, it could be towels, whatever. Sometimes those screws will pull out of your hollow door. Do you want a way to keep that door hook in your hollow door solid forever? Well, I got a video for you right here.